These are some absolute value equations. Can you understand them? Can you read them like a sentence? You will at the end of this class. We'll be seeing three things mainly, which is the use of the absolute value, and then we'll go for some basic understanding of the equations, and then we'll see how to read equations meaningfully and completely. Absolute value is always about a range of values on a number line. Let's take an example of a dress shop. From such a graph, they can understand which age range is giving them the maximum profit and which one is giving them the minimum profit. Say this is giving them the maximum profit and this is giving them minimum profit. Now this is called a window, and so is this. We'll be talking about such number lines in more detail very soon. So first we'll understand some basic equations. Let's take the first equation. These two are points on the number line, and this value is the distance that is covering these 2 points. Okay. In the next equation, there are no 2 points, only 1 point is given. So here it means the distance between x and the point 0 is 5. Here the distance between the point x and y is 0, and here the point is 5 and not x, it is 2x. So the distance between 2x and 5 is 9. Now let's try to understand equations in more depth. These are some examples. Firstly, you have to notice a very simple thing in an equation. Within a modulus, which is a variable and which is a number, that is, which is a constant. This is a variable, this is a number. This is a number, and here this is a variable. In this one, this is a variable and this is a number. Now let's take the first equation. It should always be read as 2x minus 5 equal to not 9 but plus or minus 9. If you take this equation, it is always plus or minus 20, and in this one it is always plus or minus 4 minus x. Now this plus or minus 9 denotes size of the window on a number line. Let's draw it. This is any axis, okay, and somewhere in the axis we are able to know the size of the window. This is the size of the window, which is plus 9 and minus 9. Next, within the modulus, this is a number. The number part within the modulus is always called as the referral point. I call this as a referral point. This referral point is always the center of the window. So now we have our window. This referral point will come at the center, which is 5. This part of the modulus have to be plotted on a number line, but this is a variable. Now we have to solve for x to find that value. For that, we have two equations. 2x minus 5 equal to plus 9. Another is 2x minus 5 equal to minus 9. Solving the equations, we get 2 points. These 2 points I call as the extreme points. Now let's draw it on the axis. Already we have the window, size of plus 9 minus 9. We have the referral point. Now the extreme points are this and this. But here we have to remember one thing. According to the equation, this point is not x, it is 2x. So we have to calculate 2x equal to 14 is 1 and another 2x is equal to minus 4. Now these are the extreme points on the number line, which is minus 4 and 14. So we got a range using the absolute value equation. Now let's read once again from this. That is 9 is the plus or minus 9, which is the size of the window, and this is a constant, that is a number. This number represents the reference point, that is the center of the window, and this part will give us two extreme points, which are the two ends of the window. So this is it. Now let's take a simple example and you solve with me. Here, how will you read this part of the equation? Yes, you will read it as plus or minus 2. Let's draw it out. Any axis, plus 2, minus 2 is the size of the window. What does this part of the modulus denote? 1. It refers to the reference point, which will be the center of the window. Now what does this part of the modulus denote? It denotes two extreme points, this and this. You can either solve it algebraically or directly from the number line also you can find it out. We know that from 1 to plus 2 on the number line it is only one step, and from here to minus 2 on the number line it is minus 3, because 0, minus 1, minus 2. So therefore x is equal to minus 3 and 1. Two values, we got it straight from the number line itself. That's it. I really hope you understood the concept and meaning behind absolute values. I suggest you work out some more examples. We'll understand some of the concept in our next video. And have a good day, guys. Bye.